Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic using a Venn diagram to understand the multiplication rule for probability. Alright, so I just apologize, this is a little bit small. It's a long problem though. So we have 14 students here in Miss Gonzalez's class, and she's interested in who's in the art club and who's in the dance club. We've got 3 people here that are in both, and Linda who's not in art or dance. Hopefully she's involved in something. I don't know, maybe she's on the karate club or something. Alright. So we got art and dance here. So art is A, that's considered of them, and then event B is dance club. So probability of A, remember it's how many people will fit our category divided by the total number of people, which in this case is 14. So how many people are in art club? I have 2 parts of the circle. I have that individual art club and the combined art and dance group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 out of 14 for probability of A. For the probability of B, that's our dance group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they'll combine again. So 4 and 3 is 7. So 7 out of 14. And just as a side note, you can feel free to reduce these just like a normal fraction. In probability, it sometimes actually makes it trickier, so I don't recommend it. But I know some people are very big on reducing fractions. So you can do that here if you feel so inclined. All right. So looking at these, the probability of A and B, so we want to know who's in art and dance. That's our overlap here, so that's 3 out of 14. All right, now this next one, be careful. We have that vertical line there, which means given. So this is A given B, which means anytime you see that given, our population is going to change, so it's not out of 14 anymore. So I'm looking for how many people are in A, and I'm only looking at the B circle. So I'm ignoring all of these. So there's 3 that are in the A circle out of my 7 that are in the dance circle. So it's 3 out of 7. So the probability A times the probability of A given B. You could try and do that over here, but we already calculated both of those numbers, so I could just multiply them together. Okay. So the probability of B is 7 out of 14. And I can multiply that times the probability of A given B, which is 3 out of 7, which gives us a total of 3 out of 14. Okay, because these 7s just cancel out, so it's just 3 over 14. Or 21 and reduce or whatever. But anyway, regardless, you'll end up with 3 out of 14. And then down here, which probability is equal to probability of A and B? So A and B is here, so 3 out of 14 matches that one we just calculated of B times the probability of A given B. And that is the multiplication rule for probability. Is if you don't want to calculate the intersection here, maybe you don't have a Venn diagram, so it's trickier, you can calculate these 2 separately and multiply them together, and you'll get the same thing.